Well, I'm back to it today. See how far I can get on this. Normally, I've been using my sprayer to get this wet. My sprayer quit. So I ordered another one, and the post office said they attempted the delivery, but that was back on the 19th when we had a severe storm, and I think they couldn't get through the washes. So it says they'll try again, but they haven't tried again. So I'm going to use a sponge, and next time I go to town, I'll pick up my water sprayer. Well, it's going to be a hot one today, but see what I can get done on this morning. It is a really beautiful morning. It's been nice and cool, so I better get to work. First, I'm going to spray this so it'll take the new cob. I really like this little hand sprayer I bought. Got it on Amazon. My other one quit, but I like this one. It's a little easier to pack around. Got a little too much cob on there. Want to make room for my finish coat. Well, it's another day, and I'm going to get back to it. First, I got to wet this down so my new cob will stick. There's the whistling bird. What kind of bird is that? That's the closest I've ever seen it. My phone won't zoom up anymore. Usually it flies away very fast when it sees me. Hear how it whistles? Like, hey you. I don't know what kind of bird that is. If you know, please tell me in the comments. What are you doing? What are you doing? She likes to come over and inspect sometimes. So, I'm nearly done with this. I'm going to cut a piece of burlap and put up there, just to make sure it sticks good. But pretty close to being done. The inside's about the same. Just been putting it on in stages. Pretty fun. Well, I noticed the puddles dried up down there. So I'm wondering what was the fate of those tadpoles. Uh-oh. Oh, they have little legs. looks to me like that. Oh, look at this little one. It's already a little toad. Do you see it? So some of them do already have their legs. They can hop around. How about that? There's bird footprints here. The birds have been eating them. There's those wasps. I don't like them. They don't usually bother unless they feel threatened, though. Look at these little guys. So did they all hop away now and find a spot to get buried in? I don't know. But it looks like a lot of the birds have been eating here. Isn't that interesting? Circle of life. So, that's it for the happenings around here the last couple days. So, I've got more going on. I hope I'll see you next time. You all take good care. I appreciate you being here so much.